If you're ever in need of service or just a tune-up, look to no other than DePaula Mazda. Located at 799 Central Avenue, you'll enter through the sliding doors into our service lane. You'll be checked in immediately and asked a few questions about your visit for the day or your appointment. Your service writer will then proceed to do a mileage check and overall inspection of the vehicle. They will ask you things about warning lights on your dashboard, your tires, and windshield wipers. Lastly, we'll take a look at that engine to ensure everything is in top shape, and as a complimentary service, we will gladly top off your windshield wiper fluid. Next, once your service writer has everything they need, they will escort you to the writer's room, where we'll write up a repair order with an estimate and approximate completion time. While you wait, you're more than welcome to relax in our lounge area, as our certified Mazda technicians handle the rest. When your service is completed, your service writer will walk you through all the work completed and gladly escort you to your vehicle. From our very personable service writers to our experienced certified technicians, we thank you for choosing DePaula Mazda.